Hello everyone, welcome to BTS News Today channel. Jungkook BTS secured his second victory for the main track of Golden, Standing Next to You, on M Countdown. During today's M Countdown broadcast, Jungkook performed the song live, and after his performance, he clinched his 7th trophy. Fans present congratulated Jungkook on his win. Golden, Jungkook's debut solo album released on November 3rd, has been eagerly anticipated by everyone, and Standing Next to You has maintained its second position on M Countdown since last week. With this win, Jungkook becomes the first artist to achieve 8 trophies in a year on M Countdown. Previously, Jungkook's first single, 7 Feet Lato, released on July 13th, secured 3 victory trophies. Then, on his second single, 3D Feat. Jack Harlow, released on September 28th, he also won 3 victory trophies. Jungkook's ongoing success on M Countdown reflects substantial support and appreciation for his solo work. Fans enthusiastically continue to celebrate Jungkook's achievements and recognition for his outstanding work. Jungkook's second win on M Countdown 4, Standing Next to You, from the Golden album marks the pinnacle of this young solo artist's journey. His live performance on the show not only dazzled but also won the hearts of the audience. Golden, released on November 3rd, has been a highlight for many fans and music observers since its announcement. This solo album signifies Jungkook's success in exploring various genres, proving his exceptional artistic maturity. Standing Next to You, consistently holding the second position on M Countdown since the previous week, now solidifies Jungkook as the first artist to win 8 trophies in 1 year on the show. This is not just an extraordinary personal achievement for Jungkook but also makes history in the Korean music scene. His previous singles, 7 Feet Lato, and 3D Feat. Jack Harlow, each made significant contributions to Jungkook's trophy collection on M Countdown. Therefore, every new release from Jungkook becomes a highly anticipated moment for fans. This success also demonstrates that Jungkook is not only part of the phenomenal BTS but also a solo artist capable of standing on his own and achieving remarkable feats in the music industry. We all look forward to the continued impressive solo career growth of Jungkook in the future. Congratulations to Jungkook on this extraordinary achievement.